In this video, we are going to go through the process of requesting a survey and fit. There are two ways to start a request for survey and fit. The first is to select Survey and Fit from the left-hand side menu. We then select Survey Requests. Survey Requests is where all of the requests for surveys can be seen. In the top right-hand side of the screen, there is the option of New Survey and Fit Request. Select this to start a new survey request. The second way of requesting a survey is from the dashboard. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can now see a Survey and Fit area. Within this is a Request Survey option. If we select this, it takes us directly into the Survey and Fit request form. Now that, using either of the routes, we are in the Survey and Fit request form, we can start to fill in the required information. The first thing to fill in is a reference for the request. To make it easily identifiable, we would recommend using either the homeowner's name or the first line of their address. Having done this, we will then fill in the name and address of the homeowner. When we have filled in the information on the homeowner, we then need to specify which range or ranges that are being planned to use. Please note that you can add up to 2 ranges in this section. We then need to know how many openings require survey. Please ensure that you put in the required number of openings, as this allows us to plan the time required by the surveyor to complete the survey. Now select Create Request. On this new page, we input what we want the surveyor to discuss with the homeowner. If you want the surveyor to discuss all options with the homeowner, you can simply select this option here. This is the Would you like our fitter to discuss all the options listed below option. If you would rather the surveyor did not discuss certain types of design based on a conversation you've already had with the customer, then you can select what topics not to discuss. For example, you may not want the surveyor to discuss Madison's custom colour, so here we switch the option to No. When you've made your choices, you select Next in the bottom right hand side of the screen. Following on from the previous page, we can now drill down into some more specifics of what you want the surveyor to discuss. In 5 different sections, you can choose exactly what you want the surveyor to offer to the homeowner. If you've already gone into detail with the homeowner and have confirmed what they want, you now select these options. If, however, you have not gone into that level of detail, or the homeowner has not completely finalised their decision, you can either select the varying options they are considering or simply choose Select All. When you've selected the options which are applicable, select Submit in the bottom right hand side of the page. The survey has now been requested. Following the survey request, Santa Fe will contact your customer to arrange a date for our surveyor to visit the property. When the date has been agreed, you will be sent an automated email which confirms the date of survey. Following the survey request, the Santa Fe Survey and Fit team will contact your customer to arrange a date for our surveyor to visit their property.